Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm using the Kiara Sky Dip system as an overlay. I've got the four main parts: the bond, the base, the seal protect, and the top coat. I don't have the oil, but that's okay. I've also got the clear dip powder. They say to roll the jars before you use them. So I'm going to start off with the bond, and you just put this on all of the nails. And it dries like super fast. I mean, like crazy fast. Next, I'm going to add a coat of the base. And this is the part that the dip powder sticks to. So you're going to want to make sure you do an even coat and do it everywhere. And you don't want to get it anywhere you don't want that powder sticking. I'm going to dip my finger down in and let it sit for just a few seconds. And then slowly remove it and shake it off. There we go. We've got all of the fingers dipped. I am going to take a fluffy brush and brush off the excess. Not very much excess really involved here. I do this to keep from getting loose particles on the base when I reapply it. So here we go with our second coat of base. And we're just going to do just the same as last time and do a nice even coat of the base. Being sure to get all the way over to the edges. And it was really tempting not to cap my tip because that's what I'm used to doing when I'm doing this motion. But you don't do that with the dip powders. Dip in, wait a few seconds, and then pull out, shake off the excess. There we go. Now I'm going to clean the top of my bottle with some acetone because I'm about to put it away. And I'm going to take this Bliss Kiss oil pen and run it around the cap so that next time I use this, I don't have trouble getting into it. Close it up really well. And then I'm going to brush off my digits again. Trying to make sure I get up under them and everywhere. Looking good so far. Now I'm going to apply a coat of the Seal Protect. This is what's going to make that activate and, like, you know, turn into a solid on the nail. So there we go. I'm going to take my little pinchers and I am going to pinch the sides real quick to help maintain my normal C curve. This is a little thick, so I wanted to do this step. You don't have to do this, but, you know, I've watched others and I just decided I really do want to keep that. And there they are. C curve still intact. I'm going to do a little bit of buffing. This is on the smooth side of the file. It's not a heavy grit at all. It's a smoothing file. I don't know what grit these are. They don't have numbers on this Revlon one. But it's the Shape and Buff, and I'm just giving it a little smoothing. Nothing crazy. Being sure to go over that tip and all around it. Feeling it as I go to make sure I don't need to do any more. There we go. We're going to buff it off with the little brush again. And I do like this so far. I'm going to apply another coat of the Seal Protect. I'm going to let that get in there and do its thing. And this one I don't have to worry about cleaning that brush. But my top coat brush, I've already done some nails. It was starting to get goopy and stiff. So I'm cleaning it off in some acetone and wiping it on a paper towel. And then dipping it back into the top coat bottle. Now that's why they sell, in the big kit, they have a brush saver. So you can just kind of keep trading out the brushes and swish them and whatever. I didn't get that. So I'm just using acetone. So I've got my first coat of top coat, and now I'm going to go in with my second coat of top coat. Very nice, very easy. I really enjoyed this Kiara Dip system. Cleaning that brush off in that acetone, and that's just pure acetone. I wiped it on my paper towel, and now I'm going to use some acetone with a lint-free wipe to clean the top of the polish bottle, because I do not want to have any issues with this later. I am going to run that cuticle oil around the edge of this one also. That way that don't seal tight shut next time I need to use it. And there we go. Yay, I can put them away and not worry. So I'm going to put this on my cuticles after doing all this dip powder and brushing and stuff. I'm going to apply it liberally. I'm having trouble speaking today. Get that all around my cuticles. And this is the nail pen I keep in my mani cave. So I'm going to rub that in a little bit. Just get her all oiled up. So this is going to be my base. I am going to polish over this, and as long as you use non-acetone remover, you can totally recycle this over and over until you got grow out. So there we go. I'm liking it, digging it. So you may be seeing more of this. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.